Here we go, guys. Good luck. So, we're going to do two boxes. Last two boxes that I have in stock. Good luck. We're no rolling the dice to pick the boxes because this is the last two boxes. So, with that being said, let's roll. All right, yeah, I can't do that voice. Let's roll. Here we go. I can't keep doing that voice. Here we go. And it is two. We don't roll two. We don't do two. So we're gonna roll the dice and hit it again. 5 times. 2 plus 3 is 5. Alright, we're going to go to the random screen here. We got Justin Hunter Fan, Powder, Card Investor, William Freeman, Cyrus, and Bowman, 299 and 1. Going to hit the randomizer 5 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time coming. Buena suerte. Good luck. 5. We've got Powder, Card Investor, Cyrus, William Freeman, Justin Hunter Fan, and Bowman, 299 and 1. Ryan. There's your draft order. On the main stage is Powder. Trevor hates me. That's just a given. At least he's not getting shut out. That's all I can say. At least Trevor's not getting shut out. Look at that! Look at that! Already saying the sketch is gonna be the good stuff, so we don't, so to derive them from fucking BT. All right, no trades are going down. If you guys want to do, I do have that basketball break in the store. If you guys wanted to actually just break it down into threes, we could do like 3. We could do 1, 1, 1. Just something small. It'd be cheap. It'd be like I don't know, $13 or something like that to do that 3 basketball break. 30 teams, 30 spots. To do that basketball break, $13. That way it covers shipping and all that wonderful stuff. So, with that being said, good luck. Buena suerte. Let's start off with the vault again. Last Superlative Hockey vault box. This stuff has been nice. I'm going to see if I can get some more. It probably won't be the same price, but I'll see if I can get some more. Alright, for the life of me, if you guys put me in a room and there was a gun pointed at me and I could not pronounce this guy's name, I definitely would get shot in the face because I still cannot pronounce this guy's name. So we got Ivan Kornweier. Ivan Kornweier. Roll Tide. Blue version. Oh, it's spelled in French too. Blue version. Ivan Kornweier. That's the first one. Ooh, what is this? We got a Butch. Oh, Raised to the Rafters. Number 2. Good old number 2. That is, could be a, is that a patch? Tom, is that a patch? Need your official opinion here. Cornweier. 1/1 gold version. Clutch. The Philadelphia Flyers raised Mark Howe's jersey. This is Mark Howe. Don't confuse with Gordy. It is Mark Howe. It's number 2 now. What is it? 4? This is Superlative Race to the Raptors from Superlative Hockey Volume 3. Mark Howe. Mark Howe. And it looks like we've got another patch. Wow. Right in Matthew's face. JSG. John Sebastian Giguère. John Sebastian Giguère. Right in Matthew's face. Oh, sorry ass Ducks. Gold version. Superlative patch from Superlative Hockey. Very nice 1, 2, 3 color patch on there. Very nice. Oh, that thing is just bulging. Look at this thing. You see 4 colors? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, 4 color. Trophy winners. Look at that thing on Bobby Clark. Guy Lafleur, Jean Rattel, Bobby Clark, and Dennis Potvin. Superlative season. Trophy winners. Look at that thing on Bobby Clark right there. It's just bulging. Look at the card. Let's see if we can show the card. Look at that thing. Again, if you have to complain about your card, remember this. Do not complain about your card. There is no customer service available for on any of these cards, alright? So you got 1975-76 season. Guy Lafleur winning the Art Ross Trophy. Bobby Clark winning the Hart Trophy. Jean Rattel winning the Lady Bean Trophy. And Dennis Potvin winning the Norris Trophy. Nice. That is very, very nice. Canadians, Flyers, Rangers, and Islanders on that card. That thing is just bulging. Look at that. Very big bulge. Bulging. That's not a bad box, if you ask me. What? What you talking about, Tyler? Alright, last box of Leaf Masterworks. Here we go. Good luck. We've got Jean Leclerc. Look at that. Still can't avoid hockey in this time. Jean Leclerc by Steve Stanley. And 1/1 Mr. October Reginald Martinez Jackson. Was it Martinez? Reginald Martinez? Reggie Jackson Martinez? Reggie Martinez Jackson? Brian Kong. Reggie Jackson. Reggie Jackson. Very nice. That was a nice way to end the break. Nice way to end this product. Who we got up first? Thank you, guys.